Welcome back, guys and gals. I'm Reese. This is Senpai TV. Today we're out here for Palpu's first ride. Last week she actually got a new bike, the 2023 Honda CRF250R. I have the RX. She got the motocross version. She wants to go to the track and show me up soon, so we'll probably end up doing that. But we're back out here at our favorite riding spot, about to unload and get it going.
At least get this off.
Yeah, are you excited?
Oh, hell yeah, I am. It's been a long time since I've been on a full-size bike. Like 4 or 5 years. I tested it out a little bit. I'm ready to actually ride it.
Yeah. Never seen you on a full-size bike besides in the retention pond.
Oh, you're about to. Gotta rep the channel, and then of course, my girl. I don't know, I may keep the red. It's growing on me. We'll see.
Yeah. All right, well, let's get them unloaded and get out there.
I'm so ready.
It's actually really nice. It's not
Perfect weather.
So, all right, let's do it.
They get it.
You good?
Oh, shit, I'm too gone. I'm the
Ready? You okay?
Yeah, I just need a break. You gotta realize this is the second time I've been out.
Yeah, sorry.
Second time in 5 years, so I'm very tired. My arms are killing me. You gotta give me more breaks.
There.
All this cool ass shit I just did, and that's why I wanted you to come back too.
Okay.
Just I have to work my way up to doing whoops like you. You gotta realize you've been practicing.
Yeah.
You've had a lot of seat time now.
Yeah, true.
So I can't do motos like you. I will get to that point in just probably about a month, but until I get to that point, I'm gonna need frequent breaks.
Okay. I just kept going because I know I didn't want to go too slow for you
know
either.
What I was doing while you were just do. My ass was and you're just
Get it up in
hello?
in the deep sand like this. You need fourth or fifth for this bike.
Yeah. Well, I'm not comfortable in fourth or fifth yet on a full-size bike.
Did you see me almost eat it at the entrance too?
Yeah. I'm in third just until I get more comfortable because yeah, it's a lot faster than the KLX, you know?
Yeah.
It's a beast. It's badass. It's so fast. I love it. You missed it. I went over a log unintentionally. Like a whole log. Like I went off the trail over a log. Don't know how I saved it, but I did. And I was like, well, I'm just gonna pretend like that didn't happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready? I'm coming.
That was a lot of fun.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. Well, that does it. You rode a lot better than you did last time.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate
Is
it.
it easier on the big bike?
Oh yeah, much easier. That bike's a monster. Just an absolute monster.
Yeah, I know. Whenever I rode it, I'm not gonna lie, the R may be a little bit more torquey than the RX, but whatever, I'm happy with my bike. Well, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow Princess Palpu. That's all of her socials: Instagram, Twitch, TikTok. Look her up, and until next time, ride safe.
Ride safe.